Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson, here to show you this 2019 G25. This is a white and admiral blue hull. It's got a pair of 8.8 JL speakers. Because it's a 2019, it has the new standard power tower, and that tower does come down with the push of a button, and it does come back. This one is equipped with a bimini as well, and this one is also equipped with steer assist. Big game changer in this industry. Let's go take a look on the inside. Welcome to the interior of the boat. Again, the color is admiral blue, white, and then we did add a little frost gray. Nice walkthrough, easy to get in and out. More sea deck, so you don't step on your cushions. And as we come in, this is the G25, so this is a 19-person boat. Bring all your friends, plenty of space, storage under all the seats, and everything is sea decked. On the floor right under there is a cooler. I mentioned the power tower. This is the control panel for that. So it goes up and down. You got the link pan array here as well. We got heated seats on both sides. We did the upgraded stereo system, two 12-inch subwoofers, speakers all over the place. Got the armrests. We do have a bow filler cushion, and that does flip over, as you can see with the sea deck. And then the other side is the cushion part, so you can flip it over and use it there too. Lighting package, cup holders all light up. This is a great G25, loaded up. It does have the 450, the H6 for the engine. So again, G25, come down to MarineMax of Rogers and take a look.